Hey guys, in this video I am going to tell you about map in Python. A map function is basically a way that you can take a list. Okay, let me show you an example. Number equal to 10, 20, 30. Result equal to map lambda x plus x numbers. Map function take two parameters. The first one in what function are going to run, and second function is what the list that we want to calculate. Here lambda function is first parameter and number is the list that we want to go through. So let me print it. Print list result. Let me save it. Map dot py. Now open the terminal and run the Python program. Python map dot py. Here we go. X plus x. Simple enough. Okay, to make you more clear, let me show you another example. Salary equal to 100, 200, 300. Def double money in dollars. Return dollars times 2. New salary equal to list map double money and salary. Here we can see that map has two parameters. First, a function called double money, and second, a list called salary. Now let me print it. Print new salary. Okay, let me save it. Map dot py. Okay, now open the terminal and run the Python program. Python map dot py. Here we go. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.